Did you know the chemistry of carbon can explain why some people can marry 4 wives? Oh yes, it does that. Right with me. In chemistry, carbon is called a tetravalent atom because it can form 4 covalent bonds with other atoms. For your information, carbon is the 6th element on the periodic table, which sandwich between boron to the left and nitrogen to the right. Despite being a non-metal, in graphite form, it conducts electricity because of the delocalized electron. Let's prove the tetravalency of carbon atom. To do that, we have to use the electronic structure of carbon, both in the ground state and the excited state. In the ground state, the electronic structure of carbon is filled this way. Although there's a rules for assigning the electrons to each orbital, like Aufbau principle, Pauli exclusion principle, and then Hund's rule. But in the excited state, something remarkable is happening to the carbon. One of the electrons in the 2s is promoted to the vacant orbital of the 2pz. That is to say, we are going to have 2 electrons in the 1s, 1 electron in the 2s, 1 electron in the 2px, 1 electron in the 2py, and 1 electron in the 2pz. From here, carbon is ready to form a bond with other atoms. Hydrogen can come in, for example, to fill in this one. Another hydrogen will come, fill in this one. Another hydrogen will come, fill in this one. 1 carbon and then 4 hydrogen atoms, giving birth to what is called methane, which is the simplest organic compound in which carbon is married to 4 hydrogen atoms. Here is the life lesson behind this. In life, just like carbon, some people can marry 4 wives. But it is also important to know that it's not just about the numbers. It's about stability, capacity, and fairness. The chemistry of carbon teaches us that capacity without responsibility leads to instability. Nota bene, this is just an analogy, not a scientific or moral rule. Dear viewer, if this added value to you, like, comment, share, and follow for more. Remember, with Sir Aristotle, we don't just learn to pass exams, but we build passion and purpose in order to solve real life problems. Thank you.